Hi guys, we're back. Market video analytics, first day of the trading week, and we got here the Canadian Swiss franc daily chart, and the evolving situation here I thought deserves our immediate attention. So if you remember, we started establishing a bearish position here when we noticed that price was starting to reverse. At first it took the previous high and then it started to fall back down, and at that point we thought there's going to be a new downside trend that is going to be able to push all the way through to the lower section. The minimum level is 74.63, which is our price target. At first we noticed the main point of reference was, and still is by the way, the 76.11, which is the mid-high key level. So on the way up we saw how price was jumping above that level. Remember that amazing gap over that level, and then of course came the turnaround and price broke back below that level. So it did break below that level. That was our trigger level. It was one of our most important trigger levels, and it got broken, but price over the last over Thursday and Friday made it all the way back just to touch base again on that same level. You can see it right here, both on Thursday and on Friday, two spikes, just kind of reconfirming that key level, which was a support. Now it's a resistance. Now I will also want to show you another important element, which is the weekly close. Take a look at that. Right, I'm going to close in even more than that, so you can see how price was closing just below that 76.11, and that's pretty powerful stuff. Let's take a look at the close itself. So it's 76.03. Not very decisive, but decisive enough below 76.11. That's an official breakdown. So I think what price did was just it was breaching the gap, right? At first, when it broke below 76.11, it was just breaching the gap. It had to close that gap. Then it went up, met the mighty resistance of the 76.11, and I think the upside correction should be over, and we should be back on the downside, hopefully all the way to our price target 74.63, which means we're still short about 260 pip to our price target. So we'll see how it goes. Our official stop loss level, which is at 0.77, will remain intact at the meantime. So until we have some negative momentum starting to build up, I'm probably going to leave the stop loss level in place. So there you go. Still very much bearish outlook on the Canadian versus the Swiss franc. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.